This is an RGBWW multicolor product. As a leading manufacturer of custom COB LED light sources, we specialize in create innovative lighting solutions tailored to your unique needs. Our RGBWW, red, green, blue, warm white, COB LED products offer unparalleled flexibility, enabling you to bring any vision to life with vibrant colors and seamless color mixing. Why choose our custom RGBWW COB LEDs? 1. Full customization. Shape size. We support custom circular, rectangular, and irregular shapes in various sizes to fit your specific design requirements. Color precision. Achieve any color imaginable with our advanced RGBWW technology, include dynamic white light tuning from warm to cool white. Mixed color solutions. Blend colors effortlessly to create stunning lighting effects for architectural, entertainment, or decorative applications. 2. Superior performance. High luminous efficacy and excellent color rendering index, CRI, for brilliant, consistent illumination. Robust thermal management ensures longevity and reliability even in demanding environments. 3. Application versatility. Ideal for architectural and accent lighting, stage and entertainment lighting, smart lighting systems, retail and exhibition displays, hospitality and residential lighting, etc. 4. End-to-end support. From concept to production, our engineering team collaborates with you to develop optimized solutions for your projects.